Welcome to Stelang, where innovation meets excellence. At Stelang, we are more than just manufacturers. We are your dedicated partners committed to crafting bespoke, high-quality coffee machines tailored to your needs. Since 2003, Stelang has been at the top of the coffee machine industry, consistently delivering cutting-edge solutions to meet evolving consumer needs. With over 30 years of export experience, our reach extends to North America, Southeast Asia, Europe, and the Middle East, providing top-notch products. Our manufacturing facility spans over 30,000 square meters, with advanced production lines dedicated to crafting premium coffee makers. Equipped with 60 fully automatic injection molding machines, we ensure precision and efficiency in every product. At Stelang, customer satisfaction is our priority. We offer after-sales support and back our products with a 1-year warranty. We have over 300 employees, an R&D team, and sales experts. Stelang boasts a workforce committed to innovation and quality. Our research and development team ensures we stay ahead of industry trends. Stelang, coffee machines for every home.